Hello, motorized bicycle enthusiasts. This is MB Rebel, and a customer had a question about a 38 tooth disc sprocket. And our sprockets are machined out of American-made milled aluminum, aircraft aluminum, which is 70-75. And yes, they are flat, but then the teeth are honed down to, I think it's about 3.8 millimeters thick for a 415 chain. And we also have sprockets that are for a regular bicycle chain, which is a 410 chain. But this is how it looks. And you can add a spacer behind here with it being flat if you need to. And here's another thicker spacer that we carry. It's a 15 millimeter spacer. You could put a spacer on top here or put this, but yes, they are flat. And the edges are, and with our sprockets, we always include some, at least, we always include usually 2 packs of bolts. One that is a 5 millimeter by 16, and then one that is a 5 millimeter by 20, because the longer bolts you can use, the better. So this is how our sprockets look. And this 70-75 aircraft aluminum that's made in the US, our sprockets are made in the USA, but one time I dropped this on my tile floor and it dented the floor. It's like a, shop floor. It's like a linoleum looking tiles, but they're very strong. The teeth hold up for a very long time, and they're not as heavy. Why add more weight to the bike using a steel sprocket? And I have seen the steel ones, the teeth get wallowed out. The cheap Chinese ones, the teeth get, because a lot of them are thinner than this. But this is American-made aircraft aluminum, 70-75, which is like tool steel, tool aluminum, for tooling. So it can work with a lot of spacers too, being flat. So thanks for watching.